Man, let me show y'all something, man. This could have turned out bad. Like, for real, for real. Said, hey, yo. Man, this your boy Tulu, back with another video, man. How y'all doing today? How y'all doing? Hey. That's what's up, man. Hey, look, keep growing, keep grinding, keep doing your thing. But if everything ain't going right for you right now, just wait. 5, 10, 15 minutes, tomorrow, maybe next week, you could definitely be in a better situation, man. So, hey, chin up, keep trucking. Yeah, I'm a little out of wind already, man. I've been weed eating and cutting grass all day. But my man hit me up, man. And this is what's got to happen today, and this is what we're working on. So I was trying to go ahead and get all these this bracket and everything set up, bolted on to the power steering pump, so we can go ahead and get this installed in. But ran into an issue. I can't doggone get the bolts and the spacers on behind here because of the pulley is in the way. And I mean, I tried some of everything to try to do it, but so what we're gonna do is we're gonna run back to the shop real quick. He gonna take it off, I'm gonna pop the bracket on, and then he gonna put the pulley back on. All right, man, so I'll hit y'all back as soon as we get to the shop. Complaining about it all the time.
All the time. You're exactly right.
Howdy, howdy. Doing all right?
Yeah.
That's good.
You got your bracket.
Yep.
Yeah, how's that do?
Pretty much. Yeah.
Like that.
Like, yeah, like that.
You didn't have to take it off, did you?
Yeah, because see, you got these little spacers behind it, man, and it's like seated up high.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead and put them through there.
I'll start on that side.
You got to go
Oh,
right
no,
here.
no, no, that one
No?
go on this side.
Those are different ones.
Yes. Well, this one goes
Oh, it's
there.
just
and
way
then-
off.
Yeah.
I got you. So you got how many?
3.
Only 3?
There's the boats.
How's that work?
Yeah, those are the bolts.
But there's 2.
What's all the boats?
Yeah, it's right here.
These 2
Oh,
are
I
the
got one in
same
my
height.
hand. It's just
These 2 are the okay. There's only 3 bolt holes.
Yeah.
So this one goes here.
right with this bolt.
Gotcha. Watch that.
I got it.
Right, I'm gonna hold it and just put the bolt in there. Okay. You got the rest of the car to go?
Pretty much. I got it started, got it running.
Oh yeah?
I'll let you run
Sound
through. I
good?
ain't got it yeah. I don't got it on this phone, but I have it on my other phone. I could probably
Yeah,
try
we
to
can
send
do
it
one
to you.
bolt at a time.
Okay.
Make it easy.
Come on. Yeah. Come on. Back it up. It should be right on it.
Is bolt one of them? Yeah, that's good. Alright.
Cool. It's 15. Yeah, I was trying, man. I was like, man, this thing should be able to go on here without the pulley. But even on the little thing, it shows that, you know, the pulley is off.
Oh yeah.
Dang.
Is that all of them?
Yes, sir. Did you have to go buy one, or you found another one to rent?
Yeah, I just bought one because I couldn't find the one I usually use.
Might be too high, no?
No, it's made for that, for a G body. So it won't hit that
Yeah, it's for a specific application.
yeah, so it won't hit that power steering box down there.
Right.
Man, I'm tired. I've been mowing and weed eating all day.
Oh yeah.
And I hate it.
Yeah, it's that time of the year.
Yeah.
Let's see where this is at. A little bit more. A little bit more. The other tool I got for this works.
All right, y'all. So we got our bracket and pulley on. About to head on back to the crib. All right, y'all, man. We back at it like a crack addict that just got 75 cents. Hey, man, this is the next day. I had to go take me a break yesterday, man. All right, but as y'all seen, we got our bracket put on. Got some of our other accessories too that we're gonna need for this setup for now. The idler pulley and the tensioner. We're gonna put those on, man, and I'm trying to figure out which way I'm gonna start with this first. I think I'm gonna start by putting the little small one on, but I don't even know yet. But man, let me show y'all something, man. This could have turned out bad, like for real, and I did not pay attention to it, man. Pay attention to things, because I'm lucky that Unc caught it for real. All right, so if y'all look right here, hold on, let me get y'all zoomed in. So if y'all look right here, we missing 2 of our water pump bolts. And the reason for that we're missing those 2 water pump bolts is because that alternator bracket that was right here was put into those. So, oh man, yeah. So luckily we found that before we had the car running for too long. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw those 2 in, torque them down, and then we're gonna go ahead and start assembling this bracket, man. Let's get it. All right, we got those bolts installed, torqued down. Let's jump on over here and put this bracket on, man. Let's get it. All right, man. Yo, so we got that installed. Man. Ooh, clear up. That looks pretty good in there, man. Looks pretty good. And yeah, I was kind of worried that this was gonna be too high, but it looks like we got clearance. I'm gonna have to definitely check. Might have to ship off some of that that bolt right there, but I could stick my finger under there though. I could stick my finger under there. Looks like everything is in line with each other. Ooh wee! Hey, we getting there, baby. We getting there. All right, so I know on this side we got to install that idler pulley, but this one didn't come with a nut, so I'm gonna have to run to go get one, and that's gonna go in there like such. It's gonna go off in there. We gotta put it. Dang, I got y'all all over the place. So yeah, our idler pulley will go right here. And last but not least, like I said, yeah, I gotta go get that nut. We got our tensioner. That's gonna go, bam, right there. All right, so let me sit y'all down, man. Let's go ahead and throw this I'm gonna go ahead and sit y'all down, man. Let me go ahead and bolt this mama up here. Let's get it. All right, man. Hey, that's what it is, baby. All right, so now, like I said, this tensioner pulley really is only gonna be here for a while. It's only temporary. Man, as y'all see, baby, we coming along, man. We coming along. I'm liking how it's changing up. Just wait, we're gonna just wait. All right, but anyway, like I said, we gotta run to O'Reilly's or somebody to get a nut for this thing, which I actually think it threads in. Oh, it actually threads in. Oh, okay. I'm tripping. Okay. Oh, I gotta put that washer on there. Dang, y'all, hold on. Let's rewind the track. I was wondering why it didn't come with the nut on it. You have to put this little washer on the back of it. Excuse me, man. Hand me the stuff, bro. Dang. So I don't like working with y'all. No, I'm joking. Alright, cool. And that spins, bam, lamb. Alright, so that's one thing less we have to get, though. Okay, that's one thing less we have to get. So we got the idler pulley on there. Got our tensioner pulley on there. Got our bracket up there, man. She looking good. But all right, man, so yeah, we need to go ahead. I need to get a longer wire for my alternator, and I also need to get the belt size. So I'm gonna try to figure all that out, man. We might do a video just on that, just how you can get the belt size right. All right, man, but until next time, hey, I appreciate y'all for real for tuning in with your boy. I appreciate each and every single one of y'all. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn your notification bells to on, and you'll get the drop whenever I drop a live video or short, man. But until next time, man, thank you to every single one of y'all. Salute, salute, salute. Let's go.